If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
I'm in that bit with tuna. Free three.
Hey, get it. That but hey man, it Ruben startled.
Let y'all nigga know, man. Breeze is gonna be put up on new one. Gotta introduce. I can't even talk right. Gotta introduce y'all nigga to Fraud, man. Fraud the iBird.
The beat. Oh, it's back. It's back.
Bills flying like the booth, then we move the flame. Bills flying like the dude they came. Freak locked in for the buck, no dame.
Come on, just a little more. Yeah, come on.
Booth, then we move the flame. Bills flying like the dude they came. Freak locked in for the buck, no dame. Looking for bread if I ever turn my head. Paparazzi can retire from the Kodak frame. Started low, then I grow my main. Calling firm, not at all the same. In the middle like I'm told your main. Goal is the Ville, not Jackson Dream. Going up, don't require no wings. Shawty wanna kick it, don't require no strings. Favorite color, nip, blue, money, green. 25 with a tie with a team. Getting big, might retire with the cream. That green light, not a sign, it's a beam. Scared to piss out with his pan, that's a mean. I know they coming, never beg for a screen. Wolf on the prowl, started alone, got the pack with me now. Before a club, ain't no patting me down. Cause niggas get stupid when money around. Now that they wonder, we turning you around. Gas in the blunt, had you up in the cloud. Get close to plots when I'm blowing shit down. He told me fuck stepping, we stumping around, nigga.
Now the question is, how we finna do this beat?
What you mean?
Like how we gonna chop that up to make it like
You wrote your hook from the beginning.
I can't write nothing, bro. I got a freestyle. What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
Jay bring the table and I got the bench. The guys gonna bring in
Tell her what you said. From a breeze, like, yeah, nigga, you know, whoop. And nigga be like, somebody back. Ah, I'm like, well, who the fuck is that? Nero be, Nero, you know how Nero be like, what's up, my nigga? Ant be like, there go my boy. They hit the hell out of me.
what I did.
You said something about pissing on niggas.
Oh, it's on you,
Oh, my bad.
I ain't saying who, I ain't say who.
You went dumb out there.
I ain't say who, nigga. I said what, nigga.
Well, what did you talk about?
That was mouth talk. Like niggas ain't.
Alright, I hear the math talk. But who the hell is you talking to?
Who switched games?
Yeah. who went from a rattler? Who went from a rattler to a crib? God damn.
Let me know when you're ready.
They go from the 7 to the 6. Ain't that some bullshit?
From the 5 to the 6 to the 7 on the 10.
Hey, I'm from the South.
I'm from the 9, bro.
I'm from the South, man. I'm from the 9, but I'm from the South too. You feel me?
Hey,
Nah, but I heard Albany
both
sound a
hard.
little different. You feel what I'm saying? So
they both hard numbers.
I'm recording you. You recording me?
That's all. I'm slow, huh?
That's it.
Why, you gonna go in there? See? You see what I'm talking about? You got a shit. Yeah. That boy gonna be forward in that motherfucker, boy.
Why you say you want to go first?
Chasing money, but you rather be running your dick suckers.
See what I'm saying? This nigga,
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, hey, why did you say you want to go out the open?
The room will have a different smell. That's all I'm saying. The room will have a different smell when you come about that money.
Hold out the red Glock 9. Come on. Hold out the red Glock 9. Man, I don't understand. Yeah, I'm counting the rats with Glock 9s. I'm goddamn. Come on, I'm right. Kill that toy. Yeah, how many bit with them rats and Glock 9s? Don't you run in it, bitch. Come on. Rats and Glock 9, don't you run in it, bitch. Ain't even stopping. Nigga don't know what it is because they know that I'm popping. Know how I'm racking. Come on, keep that. Hell yeah, keep that bomb in there. Move, let's do it. Yeah, yeah, know how I'm rocking, Lord. Come on, let's do it, Never that topic, yeah, Know how I'm rocking, I dare fuck nigga to come on. Know how I'm rocking. Know how I'm rocking, Know how I'm rocking. Shit, I dare fuck nigga to come on, Know how I'm rocking. Rockin', know how I'm rockin'. Niggas know that on the plug. Come on, Nigga know that on the plug. Rockin', ayy, know how I'm rockin'. Nigga know that on the plug. Come get in the socket. Damn, come on, let's do it. Come on. I'm rockin', Nigga, I'm rockin'. Niggas know that on the plug. Come beat a little down. Damn, what I need to come on. Then how I need to say that shit though? Nigga know that on the plug. Nigga know that on the plug. Nigga know that on the plug, I get hot like a socket. Nigga know that on the plug, they know that I get hot like a... Nah, lady, we got that.
No, the way you said it was lit though. The way you...
Yeah, that's it is. Nigga know how I'm right. Yeah, napping, yeah. Come on. Hey, probably, yeah. Nah, that is. Know how to rock it. Niggas know knocking. Niggas know that on the plug, they want to come beat a little socket. Niggas know on the plug, now they want to come... One more time. Poppin', I'm rockin', niggas know I'm okay. I got that mouth on my side just in case a nigga wanna get in my way. I get that old blank in the KKK, but Breezy gon' walk in this bitch gon' spray. I'm alone like Kevin, no hold harder in it beat with a scale. How many beat with them rats and Glock 9s? Don't you run in it bitch. Ain't even stopping, nigga don't know what it is, cause they know that I'm poppin'. Know how I'm rockin', niggas know that on the floor, they bitches wanna be my side. I got hood juicing on the right, just killing niggas come to the bite. Big teeth, that what I like. Throw the thing back and I don't know how to
You recording it?
What the hell?
You recording it?
No, I don't rap, cuz.
No, okay.
Yeah, so you can get that bad boy. Take that.
You hear that? What?
Get it up to the
Hey.
Goddamn. No disrespect, baby. I love you from the bottom of my heart. But I need to know a porn star that name rhyme with right. I mean, Mike.
With Mike?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I don't mean to get nobody in trouble.
Google a porn star, nigga. Google somebody.
There gotta be one everybody else know though. If not,
oh yeah, that's Damn, go back. That could be anybody's mama right now.
I'm in their mouth like Mike and Ike.
Yeah. Dang, you know what you should have did? I can't think of nobody to go with it. The Marlo and Mike niggas.
Marlo and Mike.
Marlo and Mike.
Yeah.
Remember the two boys was in the little room that we like Marlo and Mike.
Yeah,
that shit.
Marlo and Mike.
It was a light skin nigga, a dark skin nigga.
Okay, wait, play that bit. I got how many bitches in the high? How many bitches shining like a light? I'm being the beat up Tyson Mike. Come on.
Yeah, no.
Come on, man.
That nigga took off running. That nigga, I got it.
When he fight, I fight. I'm like, he right. I can ride his bike. Hell no. You can ride my bike.
Marlon and Mike, okay. How many bitches shining like a light? I'm in the beat up Tyson Mike. When I fight, he fight like Marlon and Mike.
Yeah.
I'm in the beat up Tyson Mike. When I fight, he fight.
Why are you posing like a bad bitch?
I'm live,
I
nigga.
turn around and this nigga
How long is
bitch. What the fuck?
Oh, it's stupid as shit.
He in his bed right there.
Yeah, nigga.
How long is it?
Like a 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes.
Not good.
Jay, we need the CEO to be dancing all in the videos and shit.
Oh, hey, I'm telling you. I'm feeling me there with some boxes on. Harlem shaking.
Write the word Diddy on your back.
Play. How much you gonna let play after?
I probably let it fade out. You want to say I'm good?
You can let it fade out, but everybody need to say something.
What I'm gonna say?
But you gonna go in the order.
I'm gonna say
reverse
some off
it
the
what
wall
you came
shit.
out with. So Breezy Virgo out.
We might
Breeze
not do that.
You want to keep
Nah,
up?
you just ain't got nothing to say. Breezy.
No, he got something to say.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. I know.
You know he got something to say. He gonna go in there and say the name.
Hey, don't I want to put at the end of that motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga can't get down like Breeze.
See how you talking right now?
I fuck that nigga can't get down like bro, the iceberg. I'm saying I'ma let that. Hey, this a rookie killer takeover.
But the song will be fading out.
Nah, see I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, do I chill? Not causing no ripples, I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, I might pop it like lolly or sickles. There's no room to wiggle. Hit my shows and I finally blow like been waiting for the tissue. Not ducking no issue. Pay for knee, so I'm standing up tall like them guards out of England. Heights on my neck, give a coat to a penguin. Love how she sucking, but blow at the leeches. I'm 101, I got these unique features. My eyes tell a story like I don't overseen it. How many say they gon' slap it, didn't mean it? How many say they was solid but leaking? I think I'm alone, Kevin. I'm home alone and I dare fuck nigga to sneak in.
That part. Yeah, dude.
La, see I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, do I chill? Not causing no ripples, I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, I'm popping like lolly or circles. There's no room to wiggle. At my shoulders, damn.
Just keep going.
Fuck me up.
Keep going. Keep going.
Like them guards out of England. Heights on my neck, give a coat to a penguin. Love how she fucking but the dick. I don't know mine either. They don't know but seen it.
With all that. I don't know my verse at all. Let's.
This ain't black, but you niggas, and I ain't really got nothing else for you. You ain't here to make some money, but you rather be running your dick suckers. By January.
Been with the members, so let's do it. Come on. I'm on. There's another.
You forgot, didn't you?
I don't know what the fuck. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna say some dumb shit.
See, I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, do I chill? Not causing no ripples, I'm caught in the middle. When I get the check, I might pop it like lolly or circles. There's no
Gatekeeper, my thoughts are new. My niggas jumping fences. Man, talk shit. Rather be pissed.
Y'all niggas ain't I got your bitch. Don't worry about it. I got
Give a fuck about glitz.
Now, if you fall over the head,
I'm watching these. So fuck your blitz. How you mad at another nigga?
Put that bitch in slow motion.
Mad at a nigga.
Yo.
I don't know my verse, nigga.
Let's keep it simple, you niggas pussy, and I ain't really got nothing else for you. Could be out here chasing money, but you better be running your dance up. First like January, flow colder than February. Treat this bitch like a cold case, and leave this bitch in the mortuary.
I remember this one. Remember this bitch out breeze.
Walking and bitch on Sprite. Like Kevin, no whole heart in the beat with his gun. Come in the beat with some racing guns. Don't you find any blow. Ain't even stopping it. Niggas don't know what it is. They know that I'm stopping it. Niggas know how I'm rocking. Niggas know that on the floor. They bitches wanna be outside.
I ain't gotta be in there, but it's like me walking through the school.
Yeah.
You got put Jimmy in there already, right?
Yep.
So you just get that with me walking in there. Like maybe coming upstairs, walking in, that could be one.
Yeah. Oh, nigga ain't done that nigga recording.
So
It look like I'm smoking a blunt, but I ain't smoking no blunt. That's just what it is, bro.
Shit about over with, cuz.
Get close to plots when I'm blowing shit down. He told me fuck you scared to piss out him with his pants, that's a mean. I know they coming never beg for a screen. Wolf on the prowl, started alone, got the pet with me now. Before a club ain't no patting me down, cause niggas get stupid when money around. Now that they wonder we turning you around. Yes in the blank.
What about right there? Play it right there.
Proud, started alone, got the pack with me now. Before a club ain't no patting me down.
You can't hear that. It sound like I said before a club, no.
Yes in the blank, had you up in the clouds.
Right
Get close to plots when
Play it again. Play it again. Got you.
big for a screen. Wolf on the prowl, started alone, got the pack with me now. Before a club ain't no patting me down.
But what it sound like I said? Nah, I ain't say that though. I said book for a club ain't no patting me down. So play it from, well, delete it from right.
But it still sound the same. It's the same.
Long got the pack with me now. Before a club ain't no patting me down. Cause niggas get stupid when money around.
But it sound the same though.
Niggas get stupid when money around.
Before the club.
No, I said book for a club. Ain't
sound right too.
Retire with the team, getting big, might retire with the cream. That green light, not a sign, it's a beam. Scared to piss out him with his pants, that's a mean. I know they coming never beg for a screen. Wolf on the prowl, started alone, got the pack with me now. Before a club ain't no patting me down, cause niggas get stupid when money around. Now that they wonder we turning you around. Gas in the blunt, had you up in the clouds. Get close to plots when I'm blowing shit.
That gatekeeper, thoughts I knew. My niggas jumping fences, then we pop shit. Rather be pissed on or just pissed. They say Benji be so.
Like the
Don't be sitting there like you're smoking. Actually, look at the camera.
what that mean?
Look at the camera like you just said. Yeah, I saw that about fell in your lap.
What that?
The ember.
Jerry.
I mean, just say they go. I think I'm a
Don't lay on my lap though.
Sit down right here.
You gotta put that part in there. You gotta put that part.
Hold on.
You should say everybody stand up.
All right, when I stand up, y'all come on.
3, 2, 1. Stand up, nigga.
That's me. They were big for a screen.
I feel a little bit.
Bam, nigga. My bad, friend. Like,
And that nigga just started the verse and pointed at me.
son.
How you mad?
Son.
I ain't say.
Ow.
Hey, this gonna be a bloopers for real. We don't know the words, nigga. Hey.
Oh, I can't wait to see how creative you get with this.
Hold on, where it started? Where it started?
I feel for real, y'all niggas bullshit.
Hold on. Hey, stand up.
Hold on, cuz.
When your bird come on, jump in the air. Everybody fall when he jump in there. Jump in. Oh, you don't know your bird for real.
Everybody get on there. Yeah. Everybody get on truck, nigga. But these bitches already cracked up, man. Tell them something.
Broke the lap for real.
Yeah, alright.
Damn, just leave it alone, bitch. Just say what it did. Leave it alone.
Yo, man. I done seen him come. I done seen him go. But one thing that never changed. The logo still remain the same. Still ruthless over everything. Hardy. Benji. Oh. Breezy. Let's go.
Slick looked hard as fuck.
We just need to get that lab part right.
Y'all ain't gonna do the stairs?
So if there's anything y'all need to get done, now y'all can do it.
Y'all ain't gonna do the stairs?
We got everything now.
They can go ahead. I'm gonna take a picture. Like right in front of you. Oh, this is nice.